Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Chrome is up to date, and you are signed into Coursology. Install and pin the extension so it's always visible. Once installed, click the icon and allow required permissions. This gives the extension access to read course pages and inject tools. You do this because without permissions, the extension cannot detect assignments or capture data. Next, open a course page to trigger the initial setup wizard and make sure the extension recognizes. You now configure core features so the extension works for your workflow. Use the setup wizard to select courses, set scanning frequency, and enable auto capture for assignments. This saves time and ensures nothing is missed. Then choose note templates and preferred export formats like PDF or Markdown because consistent formatting helps later review. Once done, customize keyboard shortcuts and sync settings so data flows to your account. This ensures fast access and reliable backups when you switch devices. You finish by validating the workflow, run a test capture, export a note, and confirm the file appears where expected. If something goes wrong, clear the extension cache and reauthorize your account to refresh tokens. This resolves most sync and permission errors. If problems persist, open the Chrome console, copy error messages, and contact support with those details so they can identify the issue quickly. Finally, make sure auto updates are enabled to keep bug fixes and features current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.